Hello everyone, I would like to show you how you can use DollarDeploy to create servers and run AI workloads in the DataCrunch AI cloud. Shortly about DataCrunch. DataCrunch is the platform to run NVidia GPU clusters, servers, and run on them your own private software what you want to run. Also, you can run on them open source software. Shortly about DollarDeploy. DollarDeploy is a platform to deploy your software or the open source software to the servers what you own. And in this video, I would like to show you how we can connect DollarDeploy with DataCrunch and deploy open source software to the server, see how it's working. Okay, let's start. Before we go and select the template, we should go first to the DollarDeploy, to the settings, and connect with the DataCrunch platform. For this to do, you go into the DataCrunch and create keys. It's called REST API credentials. You create them and you add them in DollarDeploy. So you go to the settings, integrations, and you add this client secret, client ID, and client secret here. DollarDeploy automatically checks these credentials and to see, but you can use them with DollarDeploy. After that, we go to the templates and we select the LocalAI NVIDIA CUDA 12 template. There's a bit of about the LocalAI. It's an open source software which package which have all the open models available in it. It's running the web UI, so you can chat with the open large language model, or you can generate audio, or you can convert audio to text. So there's a lot of options available. And it would run really well on the DataCrunch instances because we are having NVIDIA GPU and this template is optimized for that. So we go and select this template and we create the DataCrunch server. We use the Finland region and we select, I would like to try this one, €1 an hour. So run for a bit, but you can use the cheaper ones and you can use the more expensive ones. And yeah, we will use the existing key, SSH key, to connect to that virtual machine. Let's try. Now DollarDeploy automatically creates the server at DataCrunch. It will take some time, so let's wait. We can check it also on the DataCrunch platform. And we go to instances and it's here. Provisioning. We can go back to the DollarDeploy. What DollarDeploy does, it creates the server and it installs all the required software and it updates makes all the updates and prepares the server for running your software. Now the server was created, it's running. We can install the software on that server. DollarDeploy automatically installs all the needed software updates for the server, also configures the remote proxy and enables the HTTPS with Let's Encrypt. We can also go, while it's running, we can also go into our dashboard and see this host being configured here. It's not yet ready. The updates to the software is being installed right now. Once this software installed, we can run the app. DollarDeploy will automatically create the Docker Compose configuration, upload it to the new server, and run it from there. The template what we are using, it's the configuration of that template. It's actually open source. You can take a look at the template at the GitHub. It's in its own folder. Nothing really complicated. It's some configuration information for that deploy for that deployment for DollarDeploy and the Docker Compose for that template. We will download the Docker images for that template and run them on that server that you created. One of the reasons why we created DollarDeploy is that running AI software can be quite complicated. A lot of configuration need to be done, a lot of the attempts that what might take. So with DollarDeploy, you can create the server in the cloud, GPU server, and with DataCrunch, you can make them 30% of the price of the Amazon Web Services. And you can run this software very quickly, try how it works, and if you like it, you can try something different or try run it again. You can run it again. So I think that's really good opportunity to try something like generate your own images or generate some text or generate some do this Whisper API audio to text. Now DollarDeploy creates the app on the server. It will take some time. Okay, so LocalAI have been downloaded, installed into the server, and we can try to open it. LocalAI have been installed on your server and also downloaded all the models. That took a bit of the time, but now it can work. Let's go and check it. So how it works is that you have the models installed and you can run them from this web interface and also access them via API. Let's go and ask the LocalAI something. So we go to chat, we select the model GPT-4o and we can ask them some questions. Martini cocktails. It takes time to warm up the model, but once it runs really fast compared to the CPU models. The most popular cocktails. It's really fast when it's warmed up. So it creates these responses, chat works. There's a lot of options available. Generate images, dragon standing in the middle of the New York. We need to select the model. I think this is stable diffusion. They can dragon standing in the middle of the New York. So it generates some images of dragon standing on the building in New York. So there is other features available: text to speech, talk, the whisper to convert the audio to the text, swarm. So go ahead and check out the localai.io for the documentation, but that's pretty much. We have created the instance of the DollarDeploy That's it. We created the local AI instance on the DataCrunch server with DollarDeploy, basically with a couple of clicks. And you can go ahead, check out the DataCrunch.io, go ahead and take a look at the DollarDeploy. The pricing starts with $1 a month per one app, and there's different plans with different options. Go ahead, check it out, and let us know how we can help you deploy your apps. Thank you.